Welcome to this class. And in today's class, we will be learning about the omission of article. Now, in general, we know that which are the places we use article and what are those articles where we use. Let us now proceed with that. Keep in mind that we are going to study the place where we do not use the article. So, see here. Already we have seen these things. Okay, cities, state, countries, continent, days, months. Very clearly I have just listed here the things, and before all these things, do not use article the. For some of the countries we use the, because those countries, they present the plurality in nature. Example, like republic, united, union, states, United States, the republic. So before all those things, we use the. Got it? Now, group of island like Philippines, the Philippines, Netherlands, the Netherlands. So some exceptions, and when you have the exception, that you need to learn differently. In general, I'm talking about we do not use the. Okay, for you I will be sharing last two slides to understand about that. Okay, continent, days, month, seasons, festival, languages, sports. So today is Monday. Today is the Monday. No, we don't say that. I am learning speaking English. I'm writing. We are having. Now, if you see abstract noun, goodness, justice, uncountable noun, water. Normally, we do not use the before them. Sugar is bad for teeth. But if you use, look, normally we don't use sugar. You cannot count uncountable. But if you use the before uncountable noun, then it is very specific. The sugar which I kept on the table. Give me the sugar. Give me the sugar means that sugar which is there on the table. Are you getting? So in general sense, go and buy some sugar. Go and buy some sugar. There we don't use the. But when you use the, then it is very particular. Give me some water. Give me water. Pour water. We don't use the before that. Give me water. We don't. But give me the water means that particular water which I have kept outside. Give me the water. The, or the water which I kept in the bottle. That particular water. That is the sense here. Plural countable noun. Plural countable noun. Child, children. Children plural, and it is countable noun. So there we do not use general sense again. So ultimately, what is the use of the? The is definite, right? Precise, particular, and that particularity brought about here. Okay. So when we say the children, that means our children. Call the children. That means here we are call those sitting in the ground. Call the children. So it becomes only to those. But children are innocent. In see, this is general. In general, we are talking about normally everywhere. Children like you, they are very innocent. So children are innocent. In general sense, understand that very well. Okay. In general sense, children are innocent. But when you say the children are traveling by bus. So particular group of those are RPS students or any those particular. The children are traveling. The children are having practice. So very particular. Now focus here. Everything has a but. Okay. So before name of meals, we don't use. Dinner is ready. Not the dinner is ready. So What time do you have lunch in normal sense? We are not using, but we use a. If there is an adjective before lunch, breakfast, or dinner, if there is an adjective before them, then we use a. If there is an adjective before lunch, dinner, breakfast, then we use a. And when it is very specific, the lunch we had there, the lunch, that particular lunch we had, dinner, the dinner, the dinner we had at the midway. See, the dinner, the that particular dinner that I'm talking about. And that is the meaning here in this sense. So normally we do not use article before meals, name of meals like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We use a if there is an adjective before the meal. So this is how you need to understand. What is necessary is that you realize the significance of it. When you realize, things will become clear to you. We are studying English. We are studying English. They speak Punjabi before language. Okay. So there we do not speak Hindi, Sanskrit before language. We do not use the. That is very simple. Just keep that in your mind. Now, school, college, university, hospital, church, bed, church. Why do we go to church? To pray. Temple. Why do we go to temple? To pray. Why do we go to school? To study. So, if the purpose for which we go there, if that is the reason, then don't use the. I repeat. We are going to school. That means we are going to study. If the purpose is fulfilled, if that is the reason, primary reason, why do we go there? Why do we go to hospital? To get treatment. So I'm going to get treatment. I'm going to hospital. So it is understood that you are going to get treatment. So if the purpose for which it is there, why it is there for treatment, so don't use the. If you are using for the same reason, then do not use the. I'm going to school. Why? Because we are going to study, we are going to class, attend the class. So don't use the. I'm going to school. But if you are not going for the purpose for which it is there, I repeat, if the reason for which the school is there to give education. But if you're not going for that and you are going to meet a friend, then do use the. I'm going to meet you in the school, the. Come to the hospital. I will be waiting for you. See that? You're not going to get treatment there. Come to the hospital. Come to the hospital means we are not going for the reason for which we need to be there. We will admit him in hospital. Treatment. We will admit him in hospital for the very purpose for which it is there. Okay. So this is what I met him at the church. So he didn't go for prayer or a whole lot of things. That is the reason we are mentioning here church. We go Sundays to church. See, every Sunday they go to pray. So we don't use here the, because that is the reason for which they go to church. Clear? The slides will be available for you. You can just check also. Now, here definitely before the names of relations, father, mother, uncle, aunt, don't use the. Our cook, even for our cook, if you say cook, it is understood. I will call my cook. Don't use the cook. It is understood. So, father has not the father has written. Aunt wants you to see her. Your aunt wants you. So, before names of relation like father, mother, aunt, and cook, nurse, ours, it is understood that which is if to speak about your father, your mother, don't use the. My mother or mother. Mother told me not to do it, not the mother. Mother told me not to do it. Don't say the mother told me. No, my mother. It is understood. that was about today's class, and I made it because this much little extra information you need. Here, I have discussed about the omission. Omission means where we do not use the articles, and those are the various things you have seen. Before any individual names, we don't use. Before the name of subject, we don't use. Meals such as breakfast, lunch, all those things we don't use. Days, week, month, season, state, country, cities, we don't use. So keep those things in mind. And when we are using the in some places that we have seen, the water is kept there, that particular water which you wanted. So understand, abstract noun, uncountable noun, we don't use the. But if we use the, then it becomes very specific. You know which that thing you are talking about. Plural, countable noun. When you use the, it becomes very specific. Plural, countable noun. When you use the, it becomes very specific. That's what you are talking about. So, with that, we complete this class. And if you have any doubt, let me know.